In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change font style on Android. Yeah, this should work on Android of course, so if you want to change your font, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, go to your App Store and search for fonts. Click on the first one, click on install. Then when it's installed, click on open. Click on enable fonts keyword. And check the one right here on the right at fonts. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Then switch to fonts. Click, and as you can see, this is the normal font of course. You can go to the typewriter, write with this, outline, serif. So that's basically it. So please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.